going on, everyone? So just want to let y'all know that we did have an approval. This actually came out a few days ago from the NSCC. We have 2021-009 is approved. Now, as far as implementation, I need to look and see if there's a specific date, but as far as I understand, it should be in effect already. Basically, it's going to add a 10% withholdings tax to non-U.S. entities that arises from the sale or other disposition by a non-U.S. person of an interest in a publicly traded partnership that is engaged in a U.S. trade or business. So a tax withholding obligation is imposed on the buyer of the partnership interest, who is required to remit the withheld tax amount to the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, unless or to the extent an applicable exception applies. The buyer obligated to withhold the 10% tax is liable for any amount that it underwithheld, plus associated interest and penalties. Further, partnerships that are publicly traded on exchanges, or PTPs, in respect of transfers that occur on or after January 1st, 2022, will be subject to the withholding. So there you go. Partnerships that are publicly traded on exchange. This will apply next year. So for next year's tax year, this will apply. This should be impactful because we all know we like to run from taxes. So right here, under one of the exceptions, the NSCC falls under that exception because the Treasury Department and the IRS provide this exception because they understood that there are no non-qualified intermediary members that participate directly in the net settlement system at a U.S. clearing organization at the present time. So that's basically all there is to it. So non-U.S. entities now in partnerships as of January 1st on the exchanges will be subject to this 10% withholding tax for any gross proceeds or disposition. So there you have it, 009, ready to go, and approved on the 1st of the year, next year, for anything relevant related to us. Have a good one.